We are going to be testing these cheap versus expensive vacuums with the Dyson. So starting out with the Dyson DC4,
Guys, how do you,
the
get
cheapest
out of
one,
here?
$15 for the cost versus the expensive one, which is the Dyson
Max, what
DC50.
button are you pressing? Right
So
there?
let's go ahead and get started with the cheapest one. And here goes the Dyson DC50. Which one do you think cleans better?